Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Funimation account keeps buffering error. I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to clear the browsing data. For this, you have to just click on the 3 dots at the very top right corner. Click on the settings, and after opening the settings, you have to just scroll down in the left menu and then click on the About Chrome option at the bottom of this list. Let it to checking for the update. If any update is available, it will automatically update your browser. After completing this process, click on the privacy and the security in the left menu. Now click on the clear browsing data, and here you have to just select for the browsing history, download history, cookies and the other site data, cached images and the files. Then in the time range, select for all the time and then click on the clear data. So after completing this process, you have to just re-log into your Funimation account, and this time your buffering problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you need to check your internet connection and try to reboot your modem in case of the Wi-Fi. Try to restart your router by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 minutes and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your Funimation, and hopefully your problem will be fixed, as your internet connection must be stable to overcome this error. Now moving to our third method, you have to just again click on the 3 dots at the very top right corner and then click on the more tools, click on the extensions, and here you have to just disable all of the extensions in your browser, and make sure that if you are using any BitLocker, then you have to just disable it as well. After this, again open your Funimation and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fourth method, you need to use a different browser other than the one that you are using currently. Like you can use the Opera, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Safari or any other that you want to use. After this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our final method, you have to just contact to the customer support team of the Funimation. So for this, search for the Funimation support and contact to the customer support team of the Funimation, and they will help you to solve your error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.